Good time to everyone out there. Mazelos is here again, and I want to do more analysis on this device, Kapanadze Ruslan Akula type free energy device. And today I want to talk about the issue, first of all, of the resonance frequency of the Tesla coil. Yes, the resonance frequency of the Tesla coil. One might wonder that having this long Tesla coil could resonate at 2 megahertz. Yes, it's actually 2 megahertz. The number of turn of this Tesla coil is just 80 tons. Yes, you might see it very long like this, it's just 80 tons. If I zoom in between the conductor, we have a twine. Let's see. In between the conductor, you can see we have a twine. That's a twine. And this twine actually separated the conductor from each other. So just to also make the conductor or to elongate the coil. And of course, it is won by a conductor of about 1.2 mm. Yes, square mm. So that is why it seems very long. It's not really long. And it resonates at 2 megahertz. I will demonstrate that for you to see soon. And this 2 megahertz was chosen based on the wire length of this grenade. The wire length of this grenade at its natural frequency resonates at that 2 megahertz too. I think you all know, or some of us, we know that the natural frequency of a wire has to do with its wire length too, and there's a formula for that, which has to do also with the speed of light, the wavelength, and then you have the frequency. Yeah, I think let me quickly show you that. This is what I'm talking about, folks. This is a formula. The speed of light approximately 300 million meter per seconds. Then we have the wavelength, we have the frequency in the formula. So if you relate all, you get the appropriate frequency given the wire length, which is represented by the wavelength. Okay, folks, you have seen that. I also did some improvement in my port here. In my initial video, I didn't have the 28 tons, which I've actually added now to boost the push-pull voltage and power. This here is where you have the 28 tons. Initially, this one was not there, and I have it now. So that boosts the output voltage. Okay. Now let me actually let you know how the frequency of the Tesla coil. Let's switch the system on. Let me see. Let me plug. I'm still using my power source. I have an oscilloscope to show you the length. Okay. The frequency at which the Tesla resonates. Let me switch on the system. Okay, this is 2 megahertz, 2.017 megahertz. That's what the Tesla is running. Tesla is on now. Yeah, this is it. And this is just Tesla only, and this is a 100-watt bulb. It's very bright. It's very bright. You see. Let us see. Let me see here. You see that? You see that? So that is let me switch off so that you see that. Okay, that is just Tesla for you. A 100-watt bulb doing very, very bright. If you have a good coupling, that's what you get. See that? When you have a good coupling, that's it. And if your okay, let me switch off. If your grenade and the Tesla frequency, if they match, that's what you get. You get good output at this bulb output. Yeah. So we all know that these generators, this contraption, we have just two generators there. The Tesla and the push pull. Let me also switch on the push pull because I have added this 28 tons. You are going to see a very enormous output. Okay, let's see. It's going to be too bright. See that this is going to be about 300 or no 250 volts. It's so very bright, very, very, very bright. I will see. So by the time I switch on the two, you are going to see a very great output on the output side. So that's it, folks. And what I want to do now, please remember I'm still using the classic cashier method. I'm not using the control Tesla now. I have control Tesla, but I put that one aside for a while. So let me work with this classic cashier, you know. So let us. What I want to do now. Over the weeks, I built a battery. Yes, I put some batteries together. Let me show you that. Yeah, yeah, folks. This was a battery that was built, two of them to make it 24 volts. So I'm going to use it to test the system to see how it works. Yeah, hello, folks. Behind the scene, I have to make connection of these two batteries. Uh, they are uh, lithium battery put together and cased 24 volts each. I mean, sorry, 12 volts each, making 24 volts. They are in series. And I've made the connection, as you can see. And I'm not ready to loop now. Don't expect that. If you want to see the loop, that will come later on. You try and subscribe, like and subscribe to my channel so that whenever a new video comes up, you will be notified. So now I have the battery in place. Let me put on the push pull first. Okay, that's the push pull. I just want to see how the battery works with it. Let me put on my cash here and see. It's going to be extremely bright. Wow, extremely bright. Yeah, this is it's modulating. Okay, let me show you, folks. It's modulating. Okay, that shows that it's working very well. This is so bright. Honestly speaking, let me off the cashier again. Okay, it dims down. So, okay, let us go with two bulbs. Let's go with two bulbs. That's on again. Wow, extremely bright. That's it. That's it. Modulating. So that is the system, folks. Yeah, I think It's okay. So subscribe so that when we come to the final conclusion of this game, of this job, you'll be you'll be there to see it, because the aim is for us to loop. And I actually want to say that this project is not for beginner. You have to be experienced before you can know, before you can do anything here, because later voltage is involved. Yeah, at times I have to use electrostatic to tight, that is, put it on myself to remove every charges that might come to me. I think let me show you. Yeah, sometimes I do wear this, especially when I'm working with high voltage, because of the electrostatic. I have to put it on at times because of the dangerous voltage. But when there's absorption, the grenade will pull in the radiation or the charges from the Tesla, so it won't get to you. But when experimenting, you have to put one of these things on. Never can tell. Yeah, just like I said, folks, just subscribe so that you see the end result of these things. And a time will come, I'll be doing a full analysis on all the calculations, relativities, and all that. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.